spring cleaning is not a one-person job. Lifestyle influencer Taylor Kaye joins us with tips on how to tackle it as a family project.
Exactly. My mom's here in Hamilton. She lives on the mountain, and she just told me yesterday she went to a big box store and bought bins. I'm like, Mom, don't buy the bins until we've decluttered.
Yes.
Because then you can buy all that pretty stuff. I think that's the biggest mistake people make is, you go online, you find all these pretty bins, and you're like, that's going to help me organize. No, you've got to declutter first.
Right, because all you're going to do is put your stuff in those bins, put it away, and then years later, you're still going to have to deal with it.
And I did see someone last night that actually had QR codes for their bins. So instead of labeling it, they put QR codes. That's some next level.
Wow. Okay, we're not there yet.
No. Okay. So the first thing, especially with spring sports, as a mom of 3 girls, and if you're a parent, sporting equipment can take over your house, your garage, a corner. I think I have skis in one corner still. Okay. I told you I still have to declutter.
I have a whole hockey bag in the dining room.
Okay,
not
all right.
mine, but somebody who lives with me.
And it's got that hockey smell?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, that's
because
great.
he airs everything out. He does do that.
So get your kids involved. These are rollerblades that is a brand, but I mean it's just like regular, I don't know, just inline skates.
Okay.
And I buy skates and I buy different things that can stretch for the kids over time. If you haven't, then it's time to donate them. Church groups take them. There's online, whether insert whatever social media program you're part of, or maybe you're in a mom group. I will say
a sports swap.
Or a sports swap place. Everything you can tell is pink in our house, even the hockey stick tape. I will even say, if your kids are thinking about doing a sport, then hit up those groups as well. My daughter wanted to play hockey, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to invest. So I traded some sporting equipment to try out with a mommy group, and then she didn't like it. We tried it, but it wasn't out lots of money.
You didn't spend all that money though.
Everything is pink here. I will say artwork. This is the only time I will tell you to buy a bin, and it's when your kids start school. And you know what? I will tell you, I did this when my kids were in grade 2 or 3, because then I had this hack. But when the kids are from K to 12, get a bin. And right now, it's tax time, so you can get these bins with file folders. And I'll just show you, here's the bin here. It's one of those blue bins that you could get for taxes too. And then you can put all of your kids' artwork in there, all the beautiful artwork that you want to keep. This is my daughter's, from kindergarten. This is our actual bin.
And tell them you can only make artwork as big as will go in the file folder.
Exactly. If not, it goes into the circular file folder that gets recycled.
At night.
Yeah, and then, when kids are in, grade 8 to 12, that's when you're keeping the report cards and pictures like that.
Yeah.
And then you put a top on the bin, and then when the kids move out, this goes with them.
Ah, that's very smart.
And I will say there's another hack that I've done as well, because, if kids, my one daughter loves doing her artwork, have a little area for them to showcase it. Maybe you have kids in, grade 1, grade 2 or 3 that are always bringing art home. Give them a little place in the home, maybe a small little wall, a frame that they can change it.
They have those pop-out frames too, right?
Yeah, exactly. Or you can start a social account, private, maybe an Instagram account for the family, sharing those photos, and then you can recycle those photos, but you'll always have those.
The record.
Oh,
that's a great idea.
Especially, listen, we had a flood, so we lost some of the stuff if we didn't have everything in the bins. So if you have a digital record, you can keep that for life.
Okay, clothing.
Clothing, I will say, fast fashion is big with teens and tweens, and getting the kids to go through their clothes. What we're doing is a clothing swap. So this weekend, my teenagers and tweens are inviting their girlfriends over. They each have to bring 3 pieces each. They're going to put it on. I mean, we have this beautiful rack here, but they might just
this is ours. You can't use it.
I can't take this in the truck when I leave, but they're going to just probably throw it on the floor. They get to go in. There's a timer set, and you can pick your 3 favorite pieces and then donate the rest. So it's a lot of fun to help donate, declutter, but also you're not contributing to that fast fashion either.
And that's great, and especially as kids grow into different sizes, right?
Exactly. Because I do have 3 girls that they're borrowing from each other. And then the other thing is I have little tips like setting a timer. Maybe it's 20 minutes, because kids don't want to, nobody wants to declutter. So if you're setting a timer for a playlist, and then, week 1 and 2, if you're doing it for a month, don't tackle it like we were saying all at once.
Weekend by yourself.
Pick a bedroom, pick a kitchen, and maybe do the fridge. Then there's I've got other weeks like common areas where things sit.
Do you have all these weeks in your social media?
Yeah, I will put that on taylorkaye.com, yeah.
Okay, and we'll get the link up to that at chch.com/morninglive. Excellent tips.
Happy decluttering.